Alright, this is my first video. I'm just starting, so make sure you subscribe so I get in the YouTube algorithm. And today I will be playing Animal Company, and I'll be showing you how to get uranium ore in, well, Animal Company. And today I'll be joined by a professional. Mr. Banana.
Okay, let me, before I record, I'm gonna go into the call really quick, so they can't hear me.
Alright, we're just gonna be waiting for Mr. Banana at the entrance of sewer. Whee. Bro, I'm like Spider-Man, bro. Whee. I want to see how high I can go. Alright.
Dr. Banana.
Oh, there he is.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Banana. Here, get your stuff. Alright. You got your stuff?
Where did my pickaxe go? Oh, it's at the bridge. I forgot to put it in my freaking...
Bro, this guy.
Some technical difficulties right now.
Man, are you sure you're a pro, dude?
Well,
Probably forgetting his pickaxe. That's crazy.
Where is it? Oh. Okay, so technical difficulties. If you want to see, again, if you want to see Dr. Banana's POV on this video, you go to his channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to him too. And also like and subscribe to me because I like my viewers.
Alright, we're down here. Now we just have to wait for Mr. Banana. Oh, there he is. Hello, Mr. Banana.
I just
Turn
hit
on
my
the light.
hand.
Turn on the light.
I hit my hand. Oh, a crate! Boing.
Come here, stupid chicken. Just touch the spider.
Only mine stuff if you absolutely have to, and they're like right in front of you, Dr. Banana. Okay. Oh my God! I came in. Did you see that, Dr. Banana? I came in inch away. Run!
Alright, this part's kind of risky.
Okay, we're good.
Oh no. Oh no, I'm stuck. What the flip is going on?
Dr. Banana.
Why do these weaves have collision?
Dr. Banana, what you doing?
Yo, I'm stuck. These weaves got collision. Get out. Yo, I'm kind of stuck.
Oh, like this. Like come out through here and then like grapple, and like grapple again. Yeah, I got out. Like over on this side, like right where there's like a kind of a slight opening. Come right here, Dr. Banana, right here.
I did it. Alright, technical difficulties.
Yeah,
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Go.
I'm just gonna eat this really quick.
Okay. I'm just gonna continue.
Wait.
Whee!
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna put my pickaxe away. There we go.
You might POV stay on my channel.
Alright, let's go.
I about fell right there, Dr. Banana. No.
Whee! Oh, there you are.
Let's go.
Whee!
We're gonna
I'm
need
dropping down. Alright. And it's just another parkour thingy that I have to go to.
Yeah,
and if you have a grappler, it'll be super easy.
It'll be
you
like
trying to kill me,
a
man?
billion. No, it'll be like a billion times easier if you have a grappler.
There we go.
So guys,
Make sure
you
not fall in that part, like the grappler barely clings
Why is
onto
that
the
lady
part.
yelling at me? Just trust
you
these
turn off the light?
girlfriends in there. Yeah, just trust these girlfriends in there, by the way, guys. So just turn off all your lights.
Yeah, if
Alright,
you have a
I'm running.
lighter. Let's go.
There's a bomb. There's a bomb.
Let's not go.
Dr. Banana.
Alright, you just want to make it through without dying, and then you jump in this hole. It's kind of a long fall, so there's he's strapped in.
Yeah, really. But
and stuff.
if you think this is a long fall, go look at our other video on discovering the new lava map.
Yeah, there's like 50,000 drops there. Whee.
Yeah.
Alright, and just like that, you made it here. Now you can grab your pickaxe. Oh.
Out of your bag or out of your hip slot, whatever you have.
Yes.
And go.
That's the lava ore not going in.
Oh wait, no item.
There it goes.
Freaking low gravity,
No,
of course. That's you just stole mine.
Oh, that was yours? My bad. I thought I dropped another pickaxe in my bag. But anyways, you can just go in here. And it's actually the best for company coins too, so
maybe research points if you get lucky. But
yeah, there's a few like purple things so you can get research points, but I'd recommend watching our other videos and looking up how to do that.
Like our other how to get a lot of research points video. Well, you basically go the same way, but you also go to sewers if you don't come down.
Whee! You see how much ore you get? There's just a...
I'm gonna look for the briefcases if they're still in the game.
Yeah, there's like briefcases and stuff. Which are worth like a lot of money.
That's what I've heard of. The briefcases.
I'm just gonna grab
this way. Never mind.
a few ores here, and then I'm gonna be ending the video. Alright.
Ending the video, we haven't even escaped. We have to do it like.
Mr. Banana, go to the start. Let's go grab these ores. Bro, where's this kid? Whatever. Alright, well, that is how you get to the uranium ore. Hey, be quiet, I'm recording my outro, boy. So that's how you get the uranium ore, and it is 0 gravity, so you can just go wee, and it just like fly, so you can get out pretty easily. And if you just keep on going and then go to like array and you just do a few turns, there's like an exit thing, but it is guarded by the anglerfish and the orc, so you do need to be careful not to die by them. But other than that, you're set. Or you can just leave the game and join back if you're scared. But yeah, and also this uranium stuff sells for a lot, and best for company coins. So for recording this video, yeah. But that'll be the end of this video, my first video ever.